Upload your audio file here. Step 3. Click on Generate Video button. In a few seconds our video will be generated. Play this video. Welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials. Are you interested in creating an AI avatar? In this video we will show you how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AI to create your own personalized AI avatar. This video is generated by AI. The AI avatar is generated by Midjourney. Script is generated by ChatGPT. Text to audio is done by 11 Labs. And finally, image to video conversion is done by DeepAI. Do you want to create video like this? Let me show you the process step by step. You can also download this video. Links for all the websites and Midjourney prompts are in description.